This step I'm going to talk to you about making the bail on your pendant. Once the bail is in position, I will get a reamer out to adjust the hole. Once the hole has been adjusted to something that'll work for a necklace, then we will take our tweezers and we're going to try and break the cold seal now, which we just did right there. And we're going to heat the bottom where the cold seal was, but now we're also going to pull a little bit of the glass away with this clear rod. There you can see the pendant is finished. Now it must be placed in the kiln at 1050 degrees